Yo, what's up, guys? I've actually done a video before and I actually found out that it was not audible, so I'm doing this again. The trade we analyzed yesterday, it's TP, yeah. The VIX 25 we did yesterday end up hitting TP, so that's a win. Let's get to today. Today I'm going to be analyzing a forex, more of like a commodity, which is gold. You can see my playlist here. It's BTC and XAUUSD. These are my watch list on. I don't trade much on forex, yeah, just BTC and XAUUSD. BTC is actually a crypto pair, so I actually want to know a news came out on gold today. A news, if you're wondering which site I'm in, this is called Forex Factory. Sorry about that. This is a site for fundamental analysts, people that read the news, that that make decisions of news and economic data. So yeah, this is Forex Factory. So news came out on USD today at 1:30 p.m. UTC plus. So it ended up being bullish for USD, which means around that time gold sold. Let us say from 1:30 to 2 p.m. gold sold, because if the news is bullish, 80% of the time that if the news is bullish for USD, gold is going to sell, and vice versa. If the news is bearish for USD, gold is going to buy. During that time frame, we are trading gold against USD. So yeah, let me head up to the daily time frame and see what's up there. So yeah, this is, let me expand this. I'm in the daily time frame right now. So price took out this low. As you can see, this low got taken out. I think this is the news sold off to this zone to take out yesterday's low. If we go to a much lower time frame, now the best target will be like here, but I won't want to target that. It looks too far to me. You look for targets. If you see a confluence like an entry in the lower time frame, you look for an entry. You look for a target also in the lower time frame. So let me head up to the 1 hour time frame. I don't usually use 4 hours that much. Yeah, like I said, I told you so. So we said a news came out at 1:30 here, and the news ended up being bullish for USD, which means during that time frame gold we sell. So from that 1:30, this is 1, let's just say 1 to 2 p.m. gold sold. Yep, gold sold. During that, gold sold to take out yesterday's low. Let me take this out. After taking out yesterday's low, now the most realistic target will be here. Honestly, will be here, because this week doesn't look trustworthy, honestly. So I'm going to be looking at something like this. I have a fair value gap here. Once again, I'm going to be explaining what all this means in the meantime, but if you're a forex trader already and you're on my channel, you should know what this means. You should know the meaning of order block. You should know the meaning of fair value gap. So here's a fair value gap. I'll be interested if gold does something like this, but mind you, I don't have money to trade yet. So yeah, and I found out that yesterday's video had a lot of noise in it. I'm very, very sorry, guys. I'm currently not in my apartment. I'm currently not in my own space right now. I'm still squatting at a friend which is older than me. So yeah, you guys have to endure with me till I get my own space. Yeah, sorry about that. So I'm going to be interested if gold does something like this and move up. This is my this right here. It's my POI. Let's go to the lower time frame to see maybe there's something we can actually, I can't trade off of this whole block. It's too big. That is too big. The RR, the risk to reward is not worth it for me. The least risk to reward I do is 1:3. So if I say I should take a trade from here, this I don't think this is up to 1:3, because my stop loss will want to be here. See, the risk to reward is not even 1:2, so this is a bad entry for me. So let's head to the 15 minutes time frame. In the 15 minutes time frame, okay, this is something interesting. Okay, we have a break here. There's actually a break of structure here, which means price change structure to the upside here. This is the last high that created this low, then this low came out to take out this high. So with this impulse, we know it's an impulse on the higher time frame. You can actually mark out the zone. This is a good entry point right now. We can mark out the zone, and this was supposed to be like a supply zone before, to sell more. If price got here, we would have sell more, but price broke that structure with an impulse and change character, so we won't be buy. This supply will now turn to a demand. We open price, we use it again to do something. Let me take this off, sorry. Price broke this with an impulse. We open price, we do something like this, come back to it, then boom, come back to it, then boom, something like that. So this entry here is pretty much what I can take. I can actually still go down to the 3 minutes or 5 minute time frame to look for more confirmation when price get to this POI, but that's a subject for another day. This looks too rough. Let me take this off. So yeah, even if you decide to take the trade from here, this is still a pretty good RR. This is a 1:4 RR. If I had money, I would have taken this trade. This is a pretty good RR. Yeah, this is good. And if you still want more, you can actually go to the 3 minutes. When price get here, you can see there's a lot of space here. When price gets here, then you can take your look for more confirmation, lower time frame entry stuff. Then I will take a trade from there. So I'm pretty going to be setting this. I'm going to be leaving this to see how it plays out. I will be watching it and give you guys the result tomorrow. So this is day 2 of showing up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Also, yeah, adios guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I don't want this video too long. Yeah, good night guys.